I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my line about nothing? Why won't you go get you $1 or something? Don't hang with a who line for nothing. I see that we different, you riding, I double. I don't do discussions on bragging about.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. Right now we're gonna finish doing the install for this military netting that I had started doing before, and we couldn't finish just because the install took me such a long time. In reality, the install is easy. Once you learn how to do it, it's easy. The biggest problem I had was just the instructions. Now we're gonna install the netting on the roof in the middle section and on the front section. But first, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can sign up for all of the notifications. All right, here we go. You're probably wondering, why did I detach the netting on the rear? Reason why is because, you know, guys, this is also my daily driver right now. So if I go to Sam's Club and I'm gonna throw in a couple of cases of like Poland Spring water, whatever the case might be, I need the extra space. So by detaching it, you know, this is all free and loose, and now I can easily throw in cases of water, whatever I gotta throw in the back of the Jeep. Let's go ahead and get this thing removed and start installing the netting on the rest of the Jeep. These here are the two boxes that we're gonna be installing today. This is the front netting on the roof, and this is the middle netting on the roof. Just kind of threw it over the roll bar, and I'm really excited about how it's gonna look. Oh my God. And not only that, wait till you see the other piece. Once I'm done installing this, I have this like military cargo netting that I want to throw over just to see what it looks like. But let's see if we can include it in this video or if that's gonna have to get extended to another video. But this is gonna look sick, guys. All right, guys, almost there. We got the midsection installed. What do you think so far? I'm about to start installing the netting on the front. Okay, guys, we are finally all done. I did make some changes to the way it's supposed to be installed. I'll show you right now. Number one, I went ahead and I reattached all of these brackets right here on the sides. Now, what I didn't do is, I was telling you guys about this in the previous video. These little loops are meant for the tube. You connect the two tubes together and it just goes from end to end. Then that's supposed to connect. Then the thing that's gonna hold the tube is that plastic piece that I showed you guys right here. That's gonna hold on to that tube. Now, me personally, if you have a soft top, then you're good to go. You could easily use it. You guys know I worry about wear and tear on the Jeep, and if it's not absolutely necessary, I'm not gonna mess up my Jeep for something simple like that. And let me show you why. Yes, the net would probably look a little cooler if it was like this, but watch this. When I close this door and I have a big 37-inch mud tire and you're standing back here, you could barely tell. I mean, the difference would literally be, like I said, it would just be kind of like that. If I ever want to put it on, I can, but I have seen a few other people on YouTube that are just rocking this netting without that tube on the back for the same exact reason, because they don't have a soft top, and I'm thinking they probably just don't want to keep putting on and off that plastic piece right here and basically just scraping up the paint. Like I said, I personally don't think it's necessary. If you want to do it, then that's your Jeep. You do what you want to do, but that's just my suggestion. Now let's go over here to the front. This, oh my God, guys, it really gave it the look that I was looking for. Very happy with the product. Again, my only issue with the product was the install instructions, but you know what, guys, look, this is only something that you're gonna do once. Some people were asking me, do I have to remove the netting when I put the hard top on or the soft top? No, the netting stays in place. It's compatible with the soft top and the hard top. You know, now imagine driving around with the Jeep and having that netting right above you. I absolutely love it. I still have a clear view of the sky. And I also love the modifications on this other subscriber that I have. He's from Dubai, and I'm featuring his Jeep on my channel this week also. He's got some badass modifications on his Jeep. Wait till you see it. And yes, I'm gonna definitely copy some of the mods from his Jeep too. Hey, you have any idea how many people have actually gone to his shop? I know of subscribers, when I did my first Jeep build, they literally printed out the part list, went to the same shop I went to, and told them, build me this Jeep. When they saw the part list, the owner's son was like, hey, this JMC rides Jeep. Are you copying his Jeep? And the subscriber said, yes, I love the Jeep. And he literally, I'm not joking, guys, he ordered every single part that I had for that first Jeep, meaning he dropped well over 20 grand just to copy the look on the Jeep. He just made one little thing different, but other than that, it was an exact copy. So hey, this is a give and take relationship. You guys are more than welcome to copy the mods off of my Jeep. I don't mind. And if I see any of my subscribers that have cool mods that I love, well, I'm gonna do the same thing too, man. This Jeep is always turning heads like crazy when I'm out driving around. I get a lot of subscribers on the channel that recognize the Jeep when I'm driving around town, and they stop me, ask questions about the mods and stuff like that. Guys, you're always more than welcome to. If you see me on the street, more than welcome to come up, say hi, you know, ask whatever questions you got. It's no problem at all, man. This is why we do this. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I absolutely love it. As you can see, the sun just kind of disappeared. That's because we have a big storm that's supposed to be coming in on the way. All right, guys, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but there's a crazy storm coming in. Extremely sunny like 2 seconds ago. Now it got extremely dark. It looks like a tornado's coming in or something. Look at the power lines. Look at the street lights. It's out of control right now. I feel really uncomfortable being by these power lines of this tree. I already saw branches falling down. The branch just hit the top of my Jeep. I just hope no trees are falling down anywhere near my house. Guys, this is crazy right now. Trees are already starting to come down. I had no idea it was supposed to be this serious. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna pull a U-turn. I want to get away from all these trees. This is ridiculous. Too many trees. Too much potential for something to go wrong. All right, I'm gonna turn off the camera, guys, and I'll turn on when I'm in a safer spot. Okay, guys, looks like the storm stopped. They're claiming the sun's supposed to come back out in like an hour or so. So we'll see. So everything's calm. There was flooding. All I can say is, you know, if you own a Jeep is the perfect vehicle to be in, whether it's a blizzard, you know, a hurricane, whatever the case might be. Flooding, also not an issue in a vehicle like this, as long as your Jeep is set up for it. If you guys are curious what I mean by your Jeep being set up for flooding, let me know in the comments, and I'll tell you guys what I did to kind of prepare my Jeep to go through water and that kind of thing, and my typical routine. Now I'm about to go get some lobster rolls to bring you guys along. See, this huge branch is literally just hanging off the power lines right here. Huge wild turkeys.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy. No romancing. Got my baby and she right, she make you vanish. No time to play, got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I
Alright guys, the water is absolutely beautiful today. Check it out. If it's your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon so you can sign up for notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.